students, how are you all? So today we will do an activity related to sensory motor skill. So we will start from the basic paper folding activity. So children, for paper folding activity, take a large or a small square. Just place it on the surface. Just take one side and just overlap to the other side. Just press it. Now take this side, just overlap to the other side. Just press it. Now take the other side, just fold it and press it. So we will be doing the basic paper folding activity. So children, if you do not have this type of color paper at your house, you can also take a newspaper, a used newspaper. So open this newspaper, then fold side to side, upside down, side to side and upside down, side to side, and then press it. So do this basic paper folding activity at your house. After doing this basic paper folding activity, take a paper. Now just take its side, overlap it. Now take the other side, just overlap it, and now just press it. So children, look what you have made. You are able to make a boat by paper folding activity. So children, in this way you can do paper folding activity at your house. Paper folding activity will enhance your fine muscles and your attention span and concentration. So children, practice this paper folding activity at your home and enjoy. Thank you. The second activity of sensory motor skill is tearing and pasting activity. It's tearing and pasting activity. Can you see what is drawn on this paper? What is it? Can you guess? It is an apple. Yes, it is an apple. Very good, children. Now, for doing this tearing and pasting activity, I need a color sheet. So, children, what is the color of this apple? What is the color? Yes, it is red. So, take red color origami sheet. Now, you will require one Fevicol. And now, we will just start. Children, if you will do this pasting activity, it will stimulate sensory stimulation to you. Now, we will just apply Fevicol. You can take the help of your parents. Now, just tear bits of paper. Tear bits of paper. Now, just paste it on this apple neatly. Just paste it like this. Just paste it. While doing this activity, the children eye-hand coordination will enhance. Their concentration and control and coordination and attention span will enhance. So, do it like this. Now, just tear this paper. Just tear it properly. Now, just paste it wherever the white space is left. Just paste it properly. Just paste it on the surface of this apple. Yes, now it is done. So children, you can also color this leaf. I'll take this green color and just color this leaf. You can also color this leaf with the help of crayon or sketch color. Color its stem leaves properly. Now your tearing and pasting activity is done. So children, did you enjoy this activity? So I hope you will do this activity the way I did. So now take care. Thank you.